Setting up an insurance company in Dubai means meeting strict regulations, securing approvals from the Central Bank of the UAE, and complying with the minimum capital requirements before you can secure your trade license. Dubai's insurance sector is one of the fastest growing in the Gulf region. Its regulatory framework is globally renowned for its strength and transparency, providing stability. At the same time, the Emirates' booming economy creates endless demand for insurance products, from life and health to property and vehicle. In this video, we'll walk you through every step of launching an insurance company in Dubai, including license types, capital requirements, and compliance rules. With the right structure and expert guidance, the process becomes straightforward and rewarding. Trade License Zone has supported thousands of companies with business set up in Dubai, and will save you time, money, and stress throughout the journey. How to start an insurance company in Dubai. Starting an insurance company in Dubai is a complex process of complying with government regulations and securing approvals from the Central Bank of the UAE. It involves several steps: partnering with Trade License Zone, defining your business activities and trade license type, meeting minimum capital and bank guarantee requirements, securing approvals from the Central Bank, choosing your legal structure, reserving your trade name and submitting documents, securing office space, obtaining initial approval, finalizing your trade license application, applying for visas, and finally opening a corporate bank account. Step 1. Partner with Trade License Zone. Your first step should be working with an expert in business setup in Dubai. Like Trade License Zone, we help entrepreneurs and businesses navigate the approval process smoothly, comply with government rules, and choose the right company structure for insurance activities. We guide you through the entire process and provide a full suite of services post-setup to keep your operations up to date. Step 2. Define your business activity and license type. Unlike a standard trade license, insurance activities are tightly regulated in Dubai. You need to specify whether you want to operate as an insurer, a reinsurer, an insurance broker, an insurance agent, a third-party administrator, or an insurance consultant. Your chosen activity determines the type of license you need, your capital requirements, and the approvals required. Step 3. Meet minimum capital and bank guarantee requirements. Capital thresholds are a non-negotiable part of setting up an insurance company in Dubai. 100 million Emirati dirhams for insurers, 250 million Emirati dirhams for reinsurers, 3 million AED capital plus 3 million AED bank guarantee for brokers, 1 million AED capital plus 1 million AED bank guarantee for agents, 5 million AED capital plus 1 million AED bank guarantee for TPAs. Audited proof of funds is required before your application is processed. Step 4. Secure approvals from the central bank. All insurers, brokers, agents, and intermediaries need direct approval from the Central Bank of the UAE. This includes approval of your business plan, fit and proper tests for shareholders and directors, and appointment approvals for compliance officers and actuaries. Step 5. Set up your legal structure. Choose whether to establish as a local limited liability company with 51% UAE national ownership, a branch of a foreign company, or a free zone entity within DIFC or ADGM. Free zone entities allow 100% foreign ownership, but are limited to operations within the free zone in international markets, unless they also apply for a mainland license. Step 6. Reserve your trade name and submit documentation. You'll need to secure a trade name and submit initial documents such as shareholder passports, a draft memorandum of association, and your proposed business activities. Step 7. Secure office space. Almost all types of insurance companies in Dubai need physical premises, especially insurers and brokers. Mainland entities must lease an office that meets regulatory standards, while free zones offer flexible desk and office options. Step 8. Obtain initial approval. Once your paperwork is reviewed, the central bank will issue an initial approval certificate. This allows you to proceed with the full license application, compliance checks, and registration. Step 9. Finalize your trade license application. At this stage, you'll need to send passports and visas of shareholders, a detailed business plan, proof of capital and bank guarantees, your initial approval certificate, trade name reservation certificate, office lease agreement, memorandum of association, and, if applicable, a certificate of good standing. Once your licensing fees are paid, your insurance license will be issued. Step 10. Apply for visas. Your insurance license allows you to sponsor residency visas for yourself, your family, and your employees. This involves registering for an Emirates ID, completing a medical fitness test, and obtaining your visa stamp. Step 11. Open a corporate bank account. With your insurance license, you can now open a corporate bank account. This is essential for handling premiums and claims and for meeting reporting requirements. Trade License Zone connects you with UAE banks familiar with regulated entities. Why work with Trade License Zone? Starting an insurance company in Dubai requires expert handling of trade licenses, capital requirements, and central bank approvals. Trade License Zone has extensive experience guiding businesses through regulated activities, from securing licenses to ensuring compliance. With our expertise, you can launch your insurance company in Dubai with confidence, saving time, reducing costs, and avoiding pitfalls. Whether you're establishing a new insurer, broker, or TPA, we make the process seamless from start to finish. Are you ready to get started? Contact Trade License Zone today.